Hello, thank you again for watching my channel. This video I'll be painting Raz and adding the accessories. And then, as with my previous projects, I'll be mailing this off to the viewer who suggested this sculpt, Badgerbloodlust. My thing on this channel, and what I hope to be doing for quite some time yet, is that I take requests from subscribers and try to turn your favorite D&D character, or any character from any system really, it doesn't have to be D&D, and turn that favorite character into a fully usable miniature and send it to you, all on my own time, effort, and expense. I'm not making any money off of this. I'm nowhere near the number of subscribers I'd need to make any money off of this. I'm just doing this for the love of sculpting and the love of tabletop role-playing, and I just want to share that with people right now. His belly and horns I painted with orange and then added a crimson red wash to the belly to bring out more texture and really highlight the crevices between the plates. To make his monocle, I just made a loop of thread and dabbed some lacquer inside, which hardened like a lens. For the book, being a source of Cthulian power and lore, I imagined something that looks like it's grasping out at the reader. For that, I simply attached several bits of colored thread to the center page. I touched them with lacquer, and then I positioned them in different paths with some supports here, and began slowly adding lacquer to cement them into position. The robe starts off looking rather fleshy. I used a flesh pink mixed with some gray for this color, and then later on I darkened it and then darkened it a bit more in a gradient from top to bottom for the end result. And here he is. I hope you enjoyed this sculpt. I sure did. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It's an easy and free way to support this channel. I hope to see you again soon.